It is Election Day, meanwhile, in North Texas. If you have not cast your ballot as of yet, you now have less than 2 hours to get in line. Depending on where you live, don't forget voters are deciding on everything from a new mayor to school board changes, school district bond proposals. No matter where you live in Texas, we've got 8 proposed amendments to the state constitution that appear on your ballot. So to sort it all out, if you're still in decision mode, Jack Fink, CBSN DFW studio to go through some of them for you. Jack?
Well, Doug, it's an off year to the major elections in Texas, but one primary feature is the proposed constitutional amendments, and the one generating the most headlines is Proposition 3, which is the result of the COVID-19 pandemic. If approved, it would prevent state and local authorities from prohibiting or limiting religious services of religious organizations. Authorities did place limits on religious services early on in the pandemic last year. And in a related amendment, Prop 6, residents in nursing homes and long-term care facilities would be able to designate an essential caregiver, a person who could basically visit them in person. Under Proposition 4, requirements to become a judge in Texas would increase. Those running to be a Supreme Court justice or a judge on the Court of Criminal Appeals or a Court of Appeals justice must have at least 10 years of practicing law in the state of Texas. Those running for a state district judge must have at least 8 years of practicing law in the state. Currently, some of that experience can be from out of state. And Prop 5 would allow the State Commission on Judicial Conduct to accept complaints, reports, and investigations into judicial candidates, not only those judges who are already in office. Turnout is generally low, and that is certainly no different this year, with one exception. And that's in Southlake, where there is at least 30% turnout in 8 of the city's 11 precincts. In the Carroll ISD, which serves much of Southlake, there is a special election for the school board's Place 7. Stephanie Williams and Andrew Yeager are vying for this vacant seat. Doug?
So, question, how often do the constitutional amendments pass in a general sense?
Well, most of them do, Doug. Back in 2019, there were 10 propositions and 9 of them passed. And back in 2017, there were 7 proposed constitutional amendments and all of them passed, and most of them overwhelmingly.
Okay.
Doug?
History could be the guide. Jack Fink, thank you so much.